Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So continuation of the breakout strategy. You guys know that Nike worked out great. Sold out all of I sold out of all of my Apple. It was like an 80, 90, 100% return. I don't know how much exactly. And currently in Costco, we are up 50%. My actual target price is about 420 something. I forgot what it was. But if we do hit anywhere near 80, 90, 100% returns from Costco, I will probably be taking closing all of my positions. As you guys know, I either like to do a percentage take profit or an actual price target take profit. So if this hits, for example, 429 first, and we actually have whatever the percentage gain is, then I'll take that. Unless we have an actual percentage gain of something crazy like 90, 100%, then I'll go ahead and take all profit. But so far, Costco is working out. Apple and Apple and Nike worked out great. The only other one I'm in is in DocuSign. Currently, the breakout strategy for this one is still in play, about a month out. August 6th, they expire all my contracts. I am currently down about 12%, so I'm waiting for this one to start kicking in. If it doesn't actually start working or returning any profit before the third week of the month that's supposed to end where these contracts expire, I will most likely start to take a loss or just take my positions out of here because it's not working and it's not moving how I want it. Generally, what you want to have is to be some sort of you want to be in profit something by the third week. And if it doesn't, it's time to start taking your positions out. Or if you want to be a little bit risky, maybe wait another week or so. This is why I always say time is your friend. It's always a good idea to look at the forecast, look at exactly how I taught you guys how to do the forecast and the historic patterns to kind of predict how much it'll actually move in a specific time. But yeah, Nike, Apple worked out great. Costco, either a 420 plus target price to take profit or a full 100% on the options. DocuSign, the same thing. Currently right now, like I said, still down 12%, but I'm not worried because I have another month out for these contracts. So I'll see you guys later.